Breaking news: the British government may soon be using passport photos to help combat the rising tide of shoplifting. Amid increasing pressure from retailers, the policing minister has proposed integrating passport photos into the police database. This would allow for a match with CCTV footage, potentially identifying shoplifters more easily. However, this controversial idea raises a slew of privacy concerns. Critics argue that the proposal blurs the line between security and an invasion of privacy. There's also the question of accuracy. Facial recognition technology has been known to produce false positives. With each match, officers would need to sift through the results, proving or disproving individuals' involvement. This could significantly increase their workload, ironically adding to the very problem it seeks to alleviate. And then there's the question of the root cause. This measure, critics argue, overlooks the impact of the cost of living crisis on households. Shoplifting is often a symptom of larger issues, and building a surveillance state does not address these underlying problems. On the other hand, the Home Office claims that facial recognition technology can help identify criminals and free up police resources. This, they argue, would make their work more efficient and potentially deter would-be shoplifters. In summary, the proposal to use passport photos in the fight against shoplifting is a contentious one. It raises questions about privacy, the effectiveness of facial recognition technology, and the root causes of shoplifting. As this debate continues, one thing is clear: the balance between security and privacy remains a delicate one, and finding the right equilibrium is a challenge we must face in this ever-evolving digital age.